What are you stopping him for?
What does that have to do with you?
Identify yourself, officer.
What do I need to know that you know about me, motherfucker? Talk to me, bitch!
Am I still...
What's up? You threatened me again and it could be a different story.
The officer had already completed the bicycle stop, yet instead of ending the encounter, he redirected his authority toward a citizen who simply asked why the rider had been stopped. The Fourth Amendment to the United States Constitution protects citizens against unreasonable detention, meaning police authority must remain tied to a clear legal purpose. The bicyclist was free to go, traffic was still moving, and no physical interference occurred, yet the officer repeatedly insisted that obstruction had happened without identifying any act that actually blocked police work. By doing that, he transformed a public question into a supposed offense, which is often where power begins to drift away from lawful duty and toward personal control.
Hello, my friend.
Oh, my man, I saw you yesterday.
Yeah, I was trying.
Aaron?
I was hoping you were going.
Aaron Mack, right?
Yes.
Yeah, the only reason I'm stopping you...
the wrong way. I was waiting on you.
Yeah, the wrong way, and then the stop sign. All right, man, you seem to be in a lot better shape than yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Well, yesterday, you were acting a fool.
Nah, it was just I was going through something. Did you pick up headphones or money?
What do you mean? Oh, did you lose some of that over there?
I left my headphones in like $1.50.
No.
No?
I didn't see any of that.
Right.
Just hang out for 1 second for me, all right? Are y'all able to run code 5 checks right now?
I can run code 5, I just definitely need name and date of birth.
10-4, would it be easier with the DL number?
Yeah, I really gotta go, that's why I'm getting
The DL number unfortunately is what's not coming back.
I got you. Just hang out for me. I'm trying to go as fast as I can. Just chill. 10-4, I got the information for you when you're ready. Our first name is going to be Aaron. That's Alpha Alpha Romeo Oscar November. Middle initial is J, Juliet. Last name is black male. Date of birth is 0. Are you obstructing?
Talk to you? Yeah.
Are you obstructing?
No, he's good. Let's see how fast he goes.
Legal limit, yeah.
Legal limit?
Legal limit.
Oh, limit.
Legal, yeah.
Hey, Aaron, you're good.
All right,
you're good.
You know why I grabbed this?
What did he say to you, man?
You're good.
What did he say? Nah, this is my friend here.
Yeah, that's right.
Hey,
That's right. What's up?
8 years old, he died on one of these, going down the driveway.
Hey, man, don't forget your bike and your can.
But she was drunk though. 8
What's
years
up?
old, left on one.
What are you doing here?
You need something?
I'm waiting for you. You're here obstructing this traffic stop.
I'm disrupting.
What's
What
up?
are you stopping him for?
Yeah.
Question.
What does that have to do with you?
What are you stopping him for?
What does that have to do with you?
Identify yourself, officer.
210, I'm code 4, but can you send me another?
Oh, he's calling for backup. I'm just a citizen asking what this guy's doing. He rode away.
Yeah. He was stopped in a traffic stop. You came over and you interfered with it. That's right.
You're disrupting. You're in the sidewalk.
Huh?
How am I disrupting? You're on the
That's
sidewalk.
a traffic stop. I'm getting out of the way to let cars go by.
Getting out of the way. You're in the way.
That's right. Look at that car just drove by.
So why are you talking to me?
Because you're still here.
Because you just want to have a conversation?
I'm not stopping you from leaving.
Yeah. But what are you still doing here?
Huh? Waiting for you to leave.
Me leave?
Watching you. You obstructed this traffic stop.
I obstructed? How?
Absolutely.
Explain, please.
You came right up in the middle of it, started talking to him when I was trying to talk to him. You have no business being here. You have no business worrying why I stopped him. You came over and you got involved.
I have no business. This is my community. These are my neighbors.
That has nothing to do with the traffic stop.
Yeah, it does, because you're stopping
No, it
my
doesn't.
neighbors.
No, it doesn't. He's not your
stopping
neighbor.
Someone in my community.
He's not your neighbor. What's his name?
All these people are.
Where does he live? Where does he live? What's his name?
Where do you live?
What's his name? What does that have to do with you? With me?
Because
ain't nothing. You said that's your neighbor. Where does he live? Where does he live if he's your neighbor?
I'm concerned with you.
Oh no, you were concerned with him. You said he was your neighbor. Where does he live?
Where do you live?
What does it matter where I live?
Why does it matter?
You said he was your neighbor. You said he was your neighbor. Where does he live? What's his name?
Why are you yelling at me? Why are you questioning me?
What are you doing? You just came up and rolled up in the middle of this traffic stop and started obstructing it. What are you talking about?
Traffic stop.
Yeah, but you obstructed it when it was here. I let him go.
And I'm not being
He's
charged
good to
with
go.
obstruction?
Huh?
And I'm not being charged. So.
You're still here?
Yeah.
I'm waiting. If that other person gets here, you could be. Just wait. Just chill if you want. You can leave. I'm not stopping you. But if you're still here when that other person gets here, you know, you did obstruct. That crime's already been committed.
That's crazy.
That's true.
Are you drunk?
It's true.
Are you high? Touch your nose. Touch your nose.
I'm not touching my nose.
No?
I'm just sitting here waiting for. I'm just sitting here chilling.
You're not sitting. You're a disgrace.
Are you gonna leave or what?
You're a disgrace.
Are you gonna leave or what?
You're an absolute disgrace. So
You don't. I mean, I'm not stopping you.
So if I'm not stopped, then how would I be charged with obstruction?
Huh?
Wouldn't I be detained?
No,
if I
you've
committed the crime?
already committed the crime of
So
obstruction.
why am I not detained?
Because I'm using my discretion to let you go if you want.
Oh, you're
But you
really
don't have
using
to.
Your discretion?
I am.
I don't believe that.
I
A
am.
load of shit.
I am.
That's a load of shit.
Okay. Well,
No, if you had something on me,
do whatever you
fuck
want.
with me.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know who I am, right?
Okay.
You know who I am?
No.
No.
I recognize you. I recognize you. What's your name? I know where you live.
You know my name. You know where I live.
What's
you know
your name?
You know my name,
What's
Daniel.
your name?
You know my name, Daniel.
What's your name? You're not going to tell me?
You know who I am.
You're wearing a mask. I can't tell if it's you.
I'm mad.
No, I'm just kidding. I do know your name.
Yeah, you do.
Your name is Sloan. Your last name is Bonneville. Right? Is that right or wrong? Do I know you or don't I know you?
Yeah, that's
You
the
tell
question,
me.
huh?
You tell
think
me.
You know me.
You tell me.
You think you know me. Maybe I know you better, Dan.
I don't know.
Maybe I know
All
you
right,
better than you know me.
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah.
We'll see. Hey, are you making threats? Are you threatening me? What does that mean?
You following me?
Hey, hold. What does that mean? You know me better than you know me better. What does
That's
that
not what I
mean?
said.
That is what you said.
I did not say
You
that.
know me better than I think. What does that mean?
That's not what I said.
What does that mean? That is what you said.
I did not say that.
What does that mean?
Why are
You making threats
me?
against my kids?
I did not say
What are you
a thing
saying about
your
my kids, motherfucker? What's up? What do I need to know that you know about me, motherfucker? Act like I don't fucking know you riding around here harassing us every fucking day. What's up? Talk to me, bitch!
Am I still free
What's
to leave?
up?
Am I still free to leave?
Are you threatening my kids?
I'm not talking to you anymore. I'm asking if I'm free to leave.
I thought you weren't talking to me. Then what are you fucking asking me?
Am I free to leave?
You can go. I'm not stopping you.
Are you gonna follow
I'm
me?
just saying, you threaten me again. You threaten me again, and it could be a different story.
I did not threaten
Threaten
you,
me
officer.
again, and it could be a different
I
story.
did not threaten you, officer. I'm gonna ride away now.
You did threaten. Right away then, bitch.
15, turn me around to 16th location.
What does that mean? That is what you said.
I did not say that.
What does that mean? You making threats against my kids?
I did not say
What are you saying about my kids, motherfucker? What's up? What do I need to know that you know about me, motherfucker? Act like I don't fucking know you riding around here harassing us every fucking day. What's up? Talk to me, bitch!
Am I still free
What's
to
up?
Am I still free to leave?
Are you threatening my kids?
I'm not talking to you anymore. I'm asking if I'm free to leave.
I thought you weren't talking to me. Then what are you fucking asking me?
Am I free to leave?
You can go. I'm not stopping you.
Are you gonna follow
I'm
me?
just saying, you threaten me again. You threaten me again, and it could be a different story.
I did not threaten you,
Threaten me
officer.
again, and it could be a different
I
story.
did not threaten you, officer. I'm gonna ride away now.
You did threaten. Right away then, bitch.
15, turn me around to 16th location.
The confrontation became more serious when the officer shifted from legal claims to personal accusations, repeatedly suggesting the citizen had threatened his children even though no direct threat had been made. Under Graham v. Connor, every police action must be judged by objective reasonableness, not by emotion, irritation, or wounded pride. Even after saying the citizen was free to leave, the officer added, "Threat me again and it could be a different story," creating confusion about whether law or anger was driving the moment. That contradiction is what makes the scene important. Authority was still being asserted, but without clear legal grounding, and once power is used to intimidate rather than clarify, the badge begins to serve ego more than justice.